door dings, hail damage, shopping carts. Dents happen. When they do, you can trust your vehicle with your professional dent repair experts at Rhino Automotive Paintless Dent and Hail Repair. Rhino Automotive is a family-owned and operated business with over 30 years experience and satisfied customers, committed to providing a stress-free experience to both new and returning customers. Our highly skilled certified technicians repair those unsightly dents by carefully accessing the underside of the vehicle panel and using specialized tools to gently massage the metal back into its original contour. Using precision and detail, we remove every low spot and tap every high spot until the panel is returned to its factory condition in a fraction of the time and cost of conventional body shop repairs, with a lifetime warranty and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We are conveniently located at 5798 Cristobal Road here in San Angelo and work with all major insurance companies. We provide discounts for military and first responders, as well as a referral rewards program. Visit us today for a free no obligation estimate or send us a photo of your damage via text or email to see if you are a candidate for paintless dent repair. Like us on Facebook and receive a discount on your next service.